Hey, everybody! While making a big Star Wars diorama, which has already taken a lot of time, and it's not clear how long it will take, I decided to make a small video of the process of creating a small dead Imperial Stormtrooper. By the way, the model of which you can download at the link below the video. After printing, we will coat the parts with acrylic primer from a spray can. After primer drying, I started painting the model with acrylic paints. And the skull would look like an old bone. I wanted to achieve the effect of many small scuffs and scratches with small dirt. I wipe off the excess paint with a napkin. This is how the little bust of a dead Imperial Stormtrooper turned out. Please support the channel with a like, subscribe, and who can support me on Patreon. Bye everyone and see you soon.